Hey there, did you know that every November we observe American Diabetes Month? This is a special month dedicated to raising awareness about diabetes, a medical condition that affects millions of people around the world, including in the United States. Whether you already know a little bit about diabetes or it's something new to you, this article will help you understand what it is, why it's important, and how we can help those who have it. Plus, we'll take a look at some fun ways people celebrate this month and raise awareness. First, let's start with the basics. What is diabetes? At its core, diabetes is a chronic, long-lasting medical condition that happens when your blood sugar, also called blood glucose, is too high. Blood sugar is like fuel for your body. It comes from the food you eat, like bread, fruit, and candy, and gives you energy to do all the fun stuff like play sports or hang out with friends. However, for your body to use that energy, it needs a special hormone called insulin, which is made by an organ inside your body called the pancreas. If your body doesn't make enough insulin, or if it can't use the insulin it makes, then your blood sugar stays too high. That's where diabetes comes in. Diabetes is actually a group of diseases that affects how your body handles blood sugar. There are two main types of diabetes that people talk about most often: type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Let's take a closer look at both of these types. Type 1 diabetes is less common, but can happen when you're a kid or teenager. In this form of diabetes, your immune system, which usually protects you from germs, mistakenly attacks and destroys the cells in the pancreas that make insulin. Without insulin, your body can't turn blood sugar into energy, and your blood sugar levels go way too high. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin every day to stay healthy. It's not something you can prevent, and it's not anyone's fault. Doctors are still learning a lot about why some people get it, but the good news is that with proper care, people with type 1 diabetes can live healthy lives. Type 2 diabetes is the more common type, and it's often linked to lifestyle factors like eating unhealthy foods, not getting enough exercise, and sometimes being overweight. In type 2 diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or the insulin doesn't work properly, which means your blood sugar can get too high. But don't worry, if you have type 2 diabetes, making healthy changes like eating a balanced diet and getting active can help manage the condition. In some cases, people with type 2 diabetes need to take medication or insulin to help control their blood sugar. There's also a type of diabetes called gestational diabetes, which can happen when a woman is pregnant. This type usually goes away after the baby is born, but it can put the mom at risk of getting type 2 diabetes later on. That's why it's important for doctors to monitor pregnant women closely. Diabetes is one of the fastest growing health problems in the world. In fact, about 1 in 10 adults worldwide have diabetes. That's a lot of people. And did you know that more than half of those with type 2 diabetes don't even know they have it? This is why American Diabetes Month is so important. It helps bring attention to the condition so more people can learn about it and get the help they need. So what are some of the warning signs of diabetes? Keep an eye out for these symptoms, especially if you or someone you know starts feeling a little off, blurred vision, frequent urination, feeling extra thirsty, unexplained weight loss, tired all the time, slow healing wounds, tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. If you notice any of these signs, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor. Catching diabetes early can help prevent complications down the road. Now that you know a little more about diabetes, let's talk about how people raise awareness during American Diabetes Month. This month is a great time to learn about the disease, help others, and show your support. There are lots of fun and creative ways people celebrate. 1. Screening and testing. Some healthcare organizations offer free or discounted screenings to test people for diabetes or prediabetes, which is a warning sign that someone could develop diabetes in the future. Getting tested is important because it can help you find out if you're at risk for diabetes. A quick test is all it takes, and it can make a big difference. 2. Fundraising. Many groups and charities use American Diabetes Month to raise money for diabetes research and to help people living with the disease. These fundraisers can include things like bake sales, charity runs, and online donation campaigns. It's a great way to help support research that could lead to better treatments or even a cure in the future. 3. Wear blue. Did you know that the color blue is associated with diabetes awareness? During November, many people wear blue clothes, accessories, or even paint their nails blue to show support. It's a fun and easy way to start a conversation and spread the word about diabetes. 4. Community engagement. Communities across the country organize health fairs, walks, and runs to raise awareness and bring people together. These events are a great chance to get moving, meet new friends, and learn more about how to prevent or manage diabetes. Plus, you might even get a cool t-shirt or medal for participating. 5. Social media. If you love sharing stuff online, you can use social media to spread the word. Many organizations post helpful tips, inspiring stories, and fun challenges about diabetes. You can share these with your friends and family to help educate them about this important health issue. Even though some people can't prevent getting diabetes, there are many steps you can take to lower your risk, especially when it comes to type 2 diabetes. Here are a few ways to keep your body healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Make sure to eat lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins, and try to limit sugary snacks and drinks. Stay active. Regular exercise like walking, playing sports, or riding your bike can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Keep a healthy weight. Being at a healthy weight makes it easier for your body to use insulin and keep blood sugar under control. Get enough sleep. It's important to rest and recharge so your body can stay strong. By making small changes in your daily routine, you can help reduce your chances of getting type 2 diabetes and inspire others to do the same. American Diabetes Month is a time to learn, share, and support people who have diabetes. Whether it's wearing blue, participating in a walk, or just talking about it with your friends and family, you can make a difference in raising awareness. Remember, by understanding diabetes and making healthy choices, we can all help create a world where fewer people develop this disease. So, what do you think? Ready to join the movement and help spread the word? Let's all work together to make sure everyone gets the information they need to live their healthiest lives. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.